In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right Smartsheet plan for your needs. If you're trying to decide between using Smartsheet for free, starting with a trial, or paying for a full license, the best place to begin is the Smartsheet pricing page. This gives you a clear overview of what each option includes and helps you compare them side by side. When you open the pricing page, take a moment to focus on the differences between the free or trial access and the paid plans, because that's where the decision usually becomes much easier. As you compare them, pay close attention to what is actually limited in the free version or during trial access. In many cases, free or trial use is helpful for exploring the platform, testing the layout, and seeing whether the interface fits your workflow. However, some features may be restricted, either by usage limits or by access to more advanced tools. That's important because what seems fine for testing may not be enough for regular work once your projects grow. Next, review the paid features carefully. This is where Smartsheet becomes much more powerful for ongoing business use. Look specifically at tools like automation, dashboards, reports, and integrations. Automation can save time by handling repetitive tasks. Dashboards make it easier to share a live view of project progress. Reports help you organize and summarize information across sheets, and integrations can connect Smartsheet with other tools your team may already use. If those capabilities are important to your process, a paid plan is usually the better fit. If your goal is simply short-term testing, then choosing the free option or the trial access makes the most sense. That gives you a chance to explore the platform without making a longer commitment. It's a practical choice if you just want to learn the basics, evaluate the layout, or confirm whether Smartsheet matches your needs. On the other hand, if you need long-term use and plan to collaborate with others, then a paid license is the smarter option. Paid plans are generally better suited for teams, repeat processes, and more advanced project tracking. They offer the stability and features needed for ongoing work, especially when multiple people are involved. Finally, pick the plan based on your team size and your workflow needs. A smaller team doing simple tracking may need something different from a larger group managing complex projects. The right choice is the one that supports how you actually work, both now and as your needs grow.